walk through the valley below. Step by step to move steady and slow. No fear in his eyes, no rush in his stay. He moved with wisdom, the Rasta way. Like the elephant, I trod through the storm. Strong from the day I was born. With the earth beneath and the sky above. I walk in peace, I walk in love. Whisper truth when the breeze go by, and the eagle cry high up in the sky. Rivers still flow through the stone-tried dock. Nature teach more than the schoolyard talk. Oh Mama Earth, you give I birth. You feed I soul, you show I worth. The lion, the bird, and the banyan tree all chant the song of liberty. Like the elephant, I trod through the storm, strong from the day I was born. With the earth beneath and the sky above, I walk in peace, I walk in love. Babylon built with concrete and steel, but can't stop what I and I feel. The drums still beat from the roots of the land, and the elephant walk, no need for plan. Elephant walk, slow but